First, you place the screen adapter on the TV. You fix them with the bolts supplied in the box. I will mount this mount to the wall. You need another person to assist you. After drilling the holes, you put the mount on the wall. You can easily level the mount. This hole in the wall plate is very large, so that you have enough space to level your mount to the wall. Place your TV on the mount, and when necessary you can level your TV with the adjustment on the back of the adapter. In this way your TV will be always straight to the wall. For more information, please visit our website vogels.com.